In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a .csv file on Mailchimp. First, make sure you're already logged into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. Find the option labeled Audience and click on it. This is where Mailchimp stores and manages all of your contacts. After clicking Audience, you should see a list or overview of your existing contacts. Now, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Add Contacts. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options in that menu, choose Import Contacts. The page will reload and bring you to a screen asking how you'd like to add your contacts. Here, select Upload a File, then click Continue to move on. You'll now be on the Upload a File page. Click the button that says Select a File. This will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to the folder where you've saved your CSV file with the contacts you want to import. Click on that file, then press Enter or click Open. Mailchimp will start uploading the file. Wait until the upload is fully complete before doing anything else. Once it's done, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked which audience you want to add these contacts to. If you have multiple audiences, choose the one that makes the most sense for this particular list, then click Continue. After that, you'll have the option to add tags to your contacts. Tags are helpful for organizing and segmenting your audience later. You can search for existing tags, create a new one, or pick from popular tags that Mailchimp suggests. When you're happy with your choices, click Continue again. Now it's time to match the columns in your CSV file to the fields in Mailchimp. You'll see each column from your file, like email address, first name, last name, and so on. For each one, choose the corresponding Mailchimp field from the dropdown. This step is important because it ensures your data ends up in the right place. Once you've matched everything correctly, click Continue. You'll then be asked to select the email marketing status for these contacts, such as subscribed. Choose the appropriate status based on your permissions, then click Finalize Import. Mailchimp will show you a summary of your import settings. Review this information carefully, and when everything looks correct, click Complete Import. Wait for the page to finish loading. When the process is complete, you should see a success message confirming that your new contacts have been added to your audience.